Within Client Manager, you have the ability to run multiple client quotes at one time. This can be extremely helpful if you have purchased a lead list and want to run multiple quotes for those individuals, or if you are trying to switch a individual's current plan to get a lower premium. This tool is very helpful in doing that. So in order to run a multi-client quote, you do have to make sure that all of the clients that you are running a quote for have a complete profile. That includes their gender, their state, their zip code, and their tobacco status. That way we can generate a quote result for them. So please make sure that client profile is complete, or else it won't be able to run a quote for them. So you'll first have to select the clients that you want to run the quote for. So of course you can filter your search results if needed, or you can select the clients that you want to run the quote for, or if you wanted to run a quote for all of your clients, you could do so that way as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select the 3 clients that I want to run a quote for, and then I'll scroll to the bottom here and select bulk quote. From there we can change our quote parameter, so we can change that effective date and then the date that the client is when we're running the quote. We can select the client's current plan. So within a client profile, you can put in their current MedSup plan. For example, if they're currently on a plan F or a plan G and their current premium, so you can easily compare that against other plans that are available for them. Or you can select a plan type. So I want to run a plan G for all of these clients. From there, you can select the companies that you want to run a quote for. If you wanted to select all of them, how this bulk quote works is it will show you the 3 lowest premiums. So out of all of the companies that are available, we're going to show you the 3 lowest premiums. Or if you wanted to select a grouping of companies, even if you select 12 companies, it's still going to show you those results for only the top 3. What the My Companies button here does is it defaults to your companies that are in your Medicare supplement settings. So we show you a complete list of companies, but if you just wanted to see your companies that you are appointed with, you can select the My Companies button there. So from there you can hit Get Quote. So now we can look at the quote results. So as I go through this, you can see the companies that I have selected that are just going to show out of those the 3 lowest premiums. If you wanted to adjust these, you can certainly start moving those around. So instead of the 12, if you wanted to select all companies, you could do that, and then it's going to adjust those 3 lowest premiums. You'll see your client's demographics over on the right-hand side, their current carrier, if you have that entered in their profile, and their current in-force rate, if that's also included in their profile. So initially, I ran a plan G for everybody, so I can see the difference in everybody's premiums and who those top 3 carriers are based upon their demographics and their location. I can easily change the plan type as well. So if I wanted to change this to a G, from a G to a F, for example, those rates will automatically update for me there. Now, if I wanted to see a complete list of all of the available companies, I can click on View All Results. So this will then take me to the quote results page where I will see the complete list of carriers instead of just the ones with the 3 lowest premiums. So here's the quote results page where it will show you that complete list of all the available companies. And then to return back to the quote results page or bulk quoting, I will just hit this back button to then review all the other clients that I have ran a bulk quote for. Your bulk quote can be exported by clicking on this Export Results button. And this is what that file would look like. It would export their first name, their last name, their phone, email, their age of quoted, their zip code, their gender, see all of those demographics, and then it will show you those companies, so their current plan and their current rate, and then the 3 lowest companies that was quoted for them and that monthly premium. So all of this can also be exported, which can be extremely helpful.